Hi everyone and welcome back to my kitchen. My name is Lilia and in today's recipe I have these French inspired soft scrambled eggs. So I think these are a basic in everybody's kitchen and they make the perfect topping over really nice crusty bread. Sourdough in particular, I think that's one of my favorites, but you choose what you love, of course. So I hope you enjoy this recipe. Please give it a thumbs up if you like it. It really helps me out also. And subscribe and also hit on the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my videos. But to get this recipe started, you're going to need, of course, eggs because they're the base of this recipe. So that means you want to use the better quality eggs that you can possibly find because you're really going to taste it if you don't get that. So I'm going to whip these up. Not much, just a little bit. You still want to see some of the white going through, not just like one emulsion of yolk, you know. Melted some salted butter on medium high. This is where you also want to make sure that the butter is of high quality as well because again, very few ingredients. So I didn't season my eggs and I won't do that till the very end because the salt ends up turning the eggs a little bit grayish. And that's just a tip that I learned from a Michelin chef the time I was in France pre-COVID. So I'm just gonna listen to him and I really liked the breakfast I had there. So I think it works out and add these in. This is a recipe that's super simple, but you don't want to leave the stove because you could end up overcooking your eggs. Once you see these little folds, kind of push them in, and you're going to stay by the stove the entire time. Just keep doing this. I don't like it to look like a bunch of ricotta curds, so I just go at this slowly where it has more of a fold versus a little tiny gritty grain. One might argue that a whisk is better than a spatula, but I think a spatula is best because you can control how you cook these eggs. This is thickening up a little bit, so this is where you add either your cream or milk, whatever preference you have. Salt and black pepper. The much awaited taste test. It's really good. I just love being my own taste tester, but so okay, so I added salt and black pepper at the very end, as I said, so it wouldn't turn out gray, and you could see that it's like a very nice bright orange yellow, so that indicates you have a really good egg. So I hope you enjoy this recipe. Please make sure to not only subscribe but also hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any videos, and also hit that like button so you can help me out just a tiny bit more. So I hope you all enjoyed once again, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.